Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. About this one, we can change by number 2 multiplied by 3 over 2 with s. So because we have 3 over 2, so we need to add about 3 over 2 square. Later that we need to minus about 3 over 2 square. Now we can see that this one that is about identities, and we have s plus 3 over 2 everything to the power of 2. This one we simplify and we have positive 15 over 4. Now we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s plus number 3 over 2 equals to the square root of 15 over 2 times t. So because if we put this one gone here, we have 15 over 4 times t square, 15 over 4, 15 over 4. We can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1, we change by secant of t square, and later that we simplify by ds. Next, I will put this one go to the right. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So this one we change by this one. S we change by this one. The s we change by this one. So this one we have 15 over 4 times t square. Later that we can do about factorization by 15 over 4. This one we change by secant of t square. And now we need to simplify this one by this one. And we have number 2 multiplied by the square root of number 15 over 15. So number 3 multiplied by number 2, and we have number 6. So number 6 simplified by number 15, and we have like this. Next, tan t, that is about sin t over cosine t. So we know that the integration of sin t over cosine t, that should be about negative fn of the absolute value of cosine t. The second one we have 3 over 2t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by this one. And we have t equal to octane of this one. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.